In this lesson, we're gonna learn ScrollView. We use this component. We want to make our screen scrollable. For example, let's duplicate this image. Let's make it a lot of images and press save. If you see the bottom content, we cannot reach them. We cannot reach the button and the other image because our app is not scrolling. How to make our app scrolling? That's easy. We just need to add the ScrollView component. So let's import a new component called ScrollView from React Native. And we need to wrap those images inside this ScrollView. So let's add it here, ScrollView, and put all the code between them like this. Let's copy all of that code. Let's cut it and put it inside this ScrollView and press save. If you see here, now our app become scrollable. Look, we can go down and go up. Let's talk about some of the important properties for ScrollView. First, what if when we go up and down, you can notice that this line here, this line, we want to get rid of it, this indicator. There is a property called show vertical scroll indicator, and you need to make it false and press save. Now we cannot see it again. It got disappeared. There is another property called horizontal. Let's make it true and see what happens. If we make it true, we make our scroll view is horizontal. We can go right and left, right and left. But if you see here, we got here an indicator. This line, we want to remove it. There is another property called show horizontal scroll indicator. Let's make it false. Now, if you see, it got disappeared. What if you want to style our scroll view? There is a property called content container style, and it takes an object and you can add, for example, background color. Let's make it red. Now look, our scroll view become red.